A Bitcoin hedge is a new way to help the investors to safeguard themselves from the volatility in the crypto market. Welcome back guys to another episode of Expert Studio. In this video, I am going to tell you each and everything regarding the Bitcoin hedge platform and also about the BTC HG. At this time, this token is available on the Windex exchange in USDT pair, so you can easily buy this token directly from this platform. And the major reason that why basically in the future the price prediction of this token BTCHG is quite, you can say, huge one. The major reason is that only and only 2.1 million tokens are available, which is you can say only the 10% of the total BTC supply. So we are going to discuss each and everything, but before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update regarding crypto. Okay, first of all, Bitcoin hedge. Here comes the entire main platform of BTCHG. It means Bitcoin hedge, and at this time they are offering you a demo account of $10,000. So you can you can say you can easily understand and learn that how you can use this platform Bitcoin hedge. And basically BTC HG is the fuel token whenever you want to do anything on the main platform of Bitcoin hedge. As I told you that it is you can say a new way to help the investors to safeguard their funds and the whole crypto everything. So if you want to use the Bitcoin hedge platform, so you must have to buy the BTC HG. So we can say it like this, that basically the BTCHG is basically a fuel token of the Bitcoin hedge platform. If you want to use it, it is entirely easy. You just have to register on this account and then you can use the demo of $10,000, and definitely you can learn each and everything regarding the Bitcoin hedge. BTC HG came with came up with a completely new way of a solid and secure, intelligent and user-friendly global hedging platform. And the key features of BTC HG is basically one-click hedge option available with no loss trade. As I told you above, only 2.1 million tokens are available, which is you can say only the 10% of the total BTC supply. The entry and exit in this platform will solely be through BTC HG tokens. So price hike in certain thing, demand will be more and supply is very less. BTCHG is a fuel token of Bitcoin hedge platform. Basically, as per my point of view or as per my own review, as for example, every time I'm not going to mention the name of that one tokens and coins, but any coin which has the main work or the theme, or for example any type of platform which are using the same coin or token, then definitely the price will increase. Here you can see each and everything, variety of reasons that why basically BTC HG is more secure than Bitcoin. They basically elaborate each and everything regarding that. Here comes the entire, you can say, token distribution, so you can read each and everything also about the roadmap and about the idea of this token. If you want to use this platform, as I told you above, it is entirely very easy. First of all, you have to buy the BTC HG directly from the Windex exchange, and then you can start working on the Bitcoin hedge platform, and definitely you are going to learn with that why work with us. Okay, basically they tell you that why you have to work with them. Basically minimize risk, huge income potential. Basically monthly income will come if you are going to work with them, and the most trending, and at this time it is also available on different exchanges. Here come all the links, so you must have to check each and everything. And mobile app is basically live. If you want to download the mobile app, you can easily download it on the App Store and also on the Google Play Store. So it is entirely very easy for that, because if you want to hold your tokens directly in the personal app, it is also very secure for you. Here you can see it by yourself: secure, fast, easy to use, and also native apps. So these are the key features of the Bitcoin hedge. And if you want to ask something more regarding the platform and also about the hedging, then you must have to message directly to them, and the team is available for you 24/7, and they are going to answer each and every question of yours regarding the Bitcoin hedge and also about the hedging and everything regarding the funds. So all the team is available for you, and here comes the white paper. If you want to learn more, you must have to read each and everything on the white paper, because they elaborate all the things regarding the platform of Bitcoin Hedge in their personal white paper. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot. I will share the link of the main platform of bitcoinhedge.io, and also I will share the link of the Windex exchange so you can easily buy this coin, because at this time, as I am telling you, the whole supply is only and only 2.1 million, so definitely the price will increase. So at this time, right now, we have the bids of 12 basically US dollars, so you can easily buy this token directly from the Windex exchange at very low price. Thanks a lot.